Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a permission profile on DocuSign. Click on admin at the top. Then on the left side, scroll down to users and groups and click on permission profiles. Here you'll have the option to add permission profile. You can see some current ones that are there as well. But click on add permission profile and you want to give your permission profile a name. So let's say I'm going to call this one semi-admin. Let's call it something like that, right? And we can choose if we want to allow the users to send envelopes or to have all admin capabilities. We're going to choose, for example, to just have all admin capabilities, but not allow to send envelopes, right? Just for example, here you can choose a template that can be to create or to share. I'm going to just say I want them to create here, but not to share. And here we can choose some options that we want them to have as well. So you can say allow signer attachment. You can say allow recipient view notifications, but I don't want him to hide action menu. So I can just say disable document, but let's say we'll leave this one empty. And here you can choose the address book. The address book can be to use for personal only or shared, or let's say both personal and shared. So let's say I want them to use both personal and shared. And here you can choose the deliver self-signed email notification by a link or by PDF. Let's say I want it to only be by PDF. And here you can allow view and manage envelopes rights, right, through API. Here we can just leave that. I can either check it and enable this one, or we can just leave it. I'm going to leave it like this, for example. Now we're going to click on add. And as you can see right here, I've created a new role permission, or let's say new permission profile right here. And that's it. You can now go ahead and add people to or assign people to those different profiles. And if you want to assign profiles, it is super easy as well. You can find the users, and within those users, you can always go ahead and let's say assign profiles. So you'll go to action right here, click and edit those users, and you'll be able to assign those profiles. So here you can see the profile that is assigned, the permission profile. Here you'll be able to remove, as you can see, this is the only one, but you'll be able to change those permission profiles for those users from here. But that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.